My brother always wanted to fight without rules. Now he's broken all of them.
Hadir went north. He was picked up by AQ fighters in the foothills.
Voluntarily or by force?
We don't know.
I'm sorry, Father.
Your brother
He's a terrorist.
is an American asset who is either with or in terrorist hands.
Hadir's fight's not with us. He could have killed everyone when he stole the gas, but he chose not to.
How do you know this?
I was there, trying to stop it.
Why didn't you tell me?
We believed it was Al-Qatala. We didn't know it was him.
We know now. We're going after him tonight.
I'll come with you.
You'll be hunting your own brother.
He is not my brother. Not anymore.
Barkov's gonna put a bounty on his head.
All right, well, let's get him first.
Any further complications and we're at war with Russia.
Well, that don't complicate it. This is a bad idea, Father.
We take care of our own here.
Well, usually what that means.
It does here. I want Farah on the team. Try not ask him.
Fine. You have execute authority. All of you. Okay, let's brief up. Imagery confirms Hadir was in possession of the remaining stolen gas when he made direct contact with Al-Qatala's most brutal enforcer, the Butcher. Surveillance tracked their vehicles to a residential complex in the Akros Mountains, believed to be the Wolf stronghold. Alex and Farah will hold orbit for secondary clearance, while Bravo 6 leads the assault force to locate the chemical agents, retrieve Hadir, and kill the Wolf.
We're at the AO. Lights out.
Let's nail this bastard.
Actual to 3-1, hold orbit.
Roger, action. Standing by.
Lifter 1, visual on target. 15 seconds out.
Roger 1. Notes down, boys. We're on. Center 1, take Overwatch.
Check. Center on Overwatch. Perfect.
Hands! Show me your hands! All clear.
2-4 and 2-6, holding here. Breach is set, stand clear. Good entry.
Who is our entry point?
Left door's all you, Sergeant.
3 unknowns.
Roger 3.
Sidewall, good breach, going rear.
6-3, at the rear door. First deck clear.
Killing power.
Second deck. On me. All here.
Yes, sir.
Take point.
Moving to second deck.
Got movement. Door, left.
Done. Check it out.
اسمعني هلا خلفتنا النوم.
عددهم كبير، لازم نستسلم.
نحن نخاف.
All clear. 1 KIA, 1 unknown.
Copy. Moving to secure.
ما في حدا تاني.
ما من رهيب.
في حدا تاني.
Check
Check your aim, Kyle.
No idea. Negative on the wolf. Dry hole.
Copy that, Carl. Right, let's get the lights up and sort them out, lads.
Rise and shine.
All Bravo reorg on the first deck. Ashwell's a 3-1.
Ship
That's
drives,
traffic.
just stored in the back. Pipework in the bottom.
We're not cutting bait, are we?
Negative. They want to talk. Listen. معلش. Hey, let him go.
Thank you.
معلش انتبهنا. وين الديب؟
برفة العادة تحت الأرض.
شكرا. Lock him down. G-house, on me. All stations, Bravo is moving to the G-house for reclearing. Tunnels, cover up, car. So we got ourselves a gopher. All stations, tunnels in building 2, making entry.
All right, down the hatch.
I'll take point.
Good on him.
We'll be right behind you.
Echo 3-1 to Bravo 06. Tunnel collapse. What's your status?
We're cut off. There's only us now.
Just like old times.
Yes, but we're not alone. We're in the wolf's den now. Tripwire is here. Stay low. Go slow. They have voices.
Was that you?
No, but they know we're here. Another tripwire. Careful.
Shit! One got away.
Let's keep moving. I'm coming to you. I see one. Let's go.
Moving left.
Watch the roof.
Left side's clear.
I smell fuel. Fuel trap! Get back!
I'm good.
I need to get past this.
Looks like we can crawl through.
Alex, why did you bring her here?
I came here by choice.
Leave, now! I can't protect you here.
Come with us, Hadir.
No, it's too late for that now.
Show your face and die.
Sarah, please. These people are willing to help us.
You are a liar and a traitor.
You're wrong. You will see.
Hadir!
Hadir!
يلا
في حدا هنيك. روح. نبه التانيين. جهزوا حالكم. يلا.
Ready?
شنود بالخلا!
Can you flank him?
واحد عليكم!
He can't see you! Flank him! Go! Up.
I'm good.
I'm coming down to you!
No! Stay after Hadir. I'll find a way up.
You watch your back down there!
3-1 to 06, over. All stations, this is Echo 3-1, transmitting in the blind. Target is still in the tunnels. Currently tracking.
هذا هو كل البنزين. هتموتوا! خلينا نروح. الدخان عم بيزيد.
The Western world,
هم هون! ايش
they
عندنا؟
believe we are safe. The superpower is worth They take the weapons to kill them. On them, they do on us.
Can't stay here.
Die for what wage war without sinking. This is the path. Warrior.
I've got you!
Thanks, cousin.
This way.
Your handiwork?
You have come far,
Affirmative.
but what you seek is already gone.
That's the wolf. Dead ahead.
Timer, he has a vest.
"20 seconds.
Cut the wire exactly when I say, not before.
Ready.
Green wire. In 3, 2, 1. Cut.
Green. Next.
Yellow. In 2, 1. Cut it.
Yellow. Done.
Last one is red.
There are 2 reds.
The top one. In 2, 1. Now.
Cut.
Disarmed. Good job.
Well, thanks to you. Good work. How'd you learn that?
Years of experience.
Too many. All stations, this is Echo 3-1 in the blind. Jackpot. Primary target is KIA.
Alex! It wasn't me. Glad it was you.
Bet we couldn't kill him twice.
Thanks, mate.
Congratulations on a job well done. As much as we can all hear the ice in the glass, I'm afraid our toast has to wait. Hadir and his new friends are on the move.
What are they?
One step at a time.
No one said they're friends.
The general would tend to disagree.
Norris, I asked you to let me
Tell
handle-
him, Laswell. Or I will.
Command has officially redesignated Farah's forces.
You want to translate that from bullshit to English?
It means they're on the list.
What list?
Foreign terror organization list. I've ordered my Marines to treat Farah's army as hostiles.
What? They're our allies.
Yeah, not anymore.
You keep your Muppets on a short string, Colonel.
Or what?
I'll fucking earn you from it.
Kate, these people need our support.
There's nothing else we can do.
Well, there's plenty we can do.
I'm tired of being told who my friends are.
Alex, don't.
I'm going back to Urzikstan, staying with Farah's army.
What you're doing is illegal.
I'm pretty sure everything we do is illegal.
Only the good stuff. You got friends nearby?
You too.
Thank you. For everything.
Well, it's not over yet. Trust me.
I always have.